As I was leaving yesterday and cleaning up a bit, I noticed a couple of parts that made me question what I had done with the ribs. They're all in the right place, but I think there might be something that connects them to the roof that is going to mess up where I put them. So that's been bugging me all night, so I got to check that out. That's why I'm here. Okay, I was right. Here is the piece, and it is a F5, and I have put one in. And what you see is it fit. I had to take this screw out that I put in, and it connects the roof strut to the wall strut. So easily remedied. Just throw it on here and screw it into place with a bolt up top and the screw down bottom. Now the one where I'm going to be off is over here because I put that piece in from the bottom up and didn't have it hanging right below that. All the rest I've got hanging right below the roof struts, so I'm going to have to move this one. Not a big disaster, but I was correct that that piece needed to go in there. I did not have the instructions. My friend left everything out except the instructions. They go inside because they're paper, they get rained on. Problem solved. Now I can go home and goof off for the rest of the day.